right, this is a room tour of Mardi Gras, balcony room 15469. So if you're wondering what a balcony room looks like on Mardi Gras, or you're wondering what this specific balcony room looks like, we're going to show you.
Yes.
That's Shug over there. She's my assistant.
Hey guys.
All right, so when you come in, you've got the temperature control here. We got some closets over here. The typical. You got your hangers. You can hang your longer garments over here, like pants and dress pants and that type of thing. You got your safe. Got another closet over here. Same thing. Shelves and a longer spot to hang your longer garments. Of course, you've got your restroom bathroom here. Hello. Shower over here. Looks like a nice size shower. Alright, and excuse the decorations. It happens to be my birthday, so they decorated our room. So let's see, over here you've got reading lights.
Yes.
Next to the bed. There's also USB charging ports. You got your TV over here. Okay. You got a little sofa.
Actually, it looks like it has a couch bed. Yeah.
Well, it sure is.
Couch bed. Okay. All right, then we have your drawers. The rooms come with a hair dryer. So you got space to put things. Then we have our cooler to put our drinks, water in.
All right, a little stool to sit on right there if you want to do any work. And this is a light that goes all the way around the mirror. Very cool.
Yeah.
And then let's take a look at the balcony. Right now the Mardi Gras is docked in Port Canaveral. So you got a couple of chairs, a little table to relax in.
Yes.
This is what you're going to see. Well, this is what you'll see if you're still at this port, but okay. And we'll give you one final look here of what the room looks like from this angle. So it's a decent sized room. All right, there you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We got lots of content up for you guys to watch and enjoy.